Hello, this is Sal. In today's video, we have a lot of topics to cover. We have two routers that are configured to communicate with each other. We will be configuring sub-interfaces on router 1 and router 2 to communicate with the switches, the VLANs with virtual trunking protocols, VTP, trunking, and Ether channel with per VLAN spanning a tree. Here I need to show you something here between the three routers. I configured the static routes on the three routers, so now router 2 can ping the network of 8.8.8.1 on this side, and router 1 can ping the same and can ping this network here. We go to router 1, I run this command, enable show run pipe include route. As you can see here, in order for router 1 to communicate with router 8.8.8.0, this is its next hop. And for router 1 to route to this network, it can either go through this, its next hop here on this interface, or on this interface of 192.168.1.2. And for router 2, the same, enable show run pipe include route. The same for router 2, in order to communicate with this network of 8.8.8.0, it needs to go through this interface on 10.2.2 and to go to this network either through here or through this interface here. Now after I configure the sub interfaces, also I need to create a static route between on router the ISP router, in order to communicate with the sub interfaces. In order for the PCs to reach the web server, they will go through, they will be able to reach their gateway here after we configure the sub interfaces for VLAN 10, 20, and 99. But in order to go through here, we need to for this network to create a static route with the sub interfaces. I'll show you how we do that. For now, I will work on creating the sub interfaces on router 1. Configure terminal interface gig 001 for VLAN 99 encapsulation .1q 99, and VLAN 99 is the native VLAN. IP address of 192.168.99.1 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Interface gig 0 for VLAN 10, encapsulation.1q for 10, IP address of 192.168.10.1 /24 for VLAN 20.20 encapsulation.1q for VLAN 20, IP address of 192.168.20.1 /24 subnet mask. Now to open the port of, what is this, shut? No, shut. Now it's open. Now do the same on router 2. Configure terminal interface gig 00 for VLAN 99 encapsulation.1q 99, and VLAN 99 is the native VLAN. IP address of 192.168.99.2 with this subnet interface for VLAN 10 encapsulation.1q VLAN 10 IP address 192.168.20 sorry, .10.2 with this subnet mask, interface 20, encapsulation, .120, IP address of 192.168.20.2 with this subnet mask. 00, no shut. Now, we need to configure on switch 1 as the VTP server, and the rest of the switches will be configured as client. So on switch 1, configure terminal, enable here, configure terminal VTP mode server, VTP domain CCNA, and VTP password of Cisco. I'll do the same on switch 2, but as a client. Enable, configure terminal, VTP mode client, VTP domain, and the password of Cisco. Now show VTP status. Now showing us here, it's a client, the domain, and version 2. And no revision so far. Now, I'll do the same on switch 3. Enable, configure terminal, VTP mode client, VTP domain is CNA, VTP password of Cisco. The same I'll do on router switch 4. Enable, configure VTP mode client, domain CCNA, and the password of Cisco. Now, here on switch 1 from F01 interface range from F01 to 9, we want to configure them in VLAN 10, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. And from 10 to 19 in VLAN 20, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. And we have the range of from 20 to 24, and the gig 01 and 2 as trunk ports. Gig 01 and 2. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk VLAN trunk native VLAN 99. And I'll do the same on switch 2. Configure terminal, as we said, interface range from F01 to 9 in VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN 10, and the range from 10 to 19 in VLAN 20. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, and the range from 0, 20 to 24, and the gig 0, 1, and 2 as trunk switch port mode as trunk ports. Switch port trunk native VLAN 99. And the same on switch 3. The range of from 1 to 9 and VLAN 10. And from 10 to 19 and 20. 0, 10 to 19 and range, interface range from 10 to 19, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, interface range from 20 to 24 and gig 1, 0, 1 to 2 as trunk port, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Now switch 4. Interface range from 1 to 9 in VLAN 10. Mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, and interface range of 10 to 19, switch mode access and VLAN 20, switch port access VLAN 20, and the range of 20 to 24 and big 0, 1, and 2, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Show VLAN brief. As you can see here, showing us that on VLAN 10 we have 9, and in VLAN 20 we have these guys here. And if I show run, it's showing us from 20 to 24 as a trunk in VLAN 99. So we configured everything in VLAN on the switches, switch 1 for VLAN 20, 10 and 20, and the trunk ports, the same we did with switch 2 and switch 3 and switch 4. That's it for this video. I don't want to bore you with it, and next we will work on the 4th channel, and then I will show you how we configure static from this network here to the sub interfaces, and how we will be able to access the web server from the PCs, and also how we will configure a spanning tree mode rapid for VLAN spanning tree, and to give VLAN 10 a certain priority for spanning a tree, and the same with VLAN 20. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for sure next in the part 2 of this video. Please, if you like it so far, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks a lot.